Imagine you are in a shop. You see something you like. You want to tell the seller, I want this one. Or maybe, not that one, the one over there. How do you do this in Serbian? You need demonstrative pronouns. These are words we use to point things out. In Serbian, we have 3 of them. And just like possessive pronouns, they change based on gender. If you understand gender and possessive pronouns, this will be very familiar. If you do not, please pause this video and watch my other videos about gender and possessive pronouns first. Let us begin. In Serbian, we have 3 demonstrative pronouns: ovaj, taj, and onaj. Why 3? Because it depends on how close the thing is. Ovaj means this. Use it when the thing is close to you, the speaker, something you can touch or is near you. Taj means that. Use it when the thing is close to the listener, not near you, but near the person you are talking to. Onaj means that, over there. Use it when the thing is far from you and from the person you are talking to. Not near you, not near them, but something in the distance. Here is the important part. These words must match the gender of the noun, just like possessive pronouns. If the noun is masculine, use the masculine form. If the noun is feminine, use the feminine form. If the noun is neuter, use the neuter form. Let me show you how this works. Let us start with masculine nouns. Remember, masculine nouns end in a consonant. For masculine, the forms are ovaj, taj, onaj. They all end in y. That is a consonant. So, demonstratives end in a consonant just like masculine nouns. Let me give you examples. Phone in Serbian is telephone. Telephone ends in n, that is a consonant. So, telephone is masculine. This phone, ovaj telephone. That phone, taj telephone. That phone, over there, onaj telephone. Another example, city in Serbian is grad. Grad ends in d. That is also a consonant. So, grad is masculine. This city, ovaj grad. That city, taj grad. That city, over there, onaj grad. You see, for masculine nouns, use ovaj, taj, onaj. Now, let us look at feminine nouns. Remember, feminine nouns end in a. For feminine forms are ova, ta, ona. They all end in a. The ending matches the feminine noun. Examples. House in Serbian is kuća. Kuća ends in a, so kuća is feminine. This house, ova kuća. That house, ta kuća. That house, over there, ona kuća. Another example, book. Book in Serbian is knjiga. Knjiga ends in a, so knjiga is feminine. This book, ova knjiga. That book, ta knjiga. That book over there, ona knjiga. For feminine nouns, use ova, ta, ona. And finally, neuter nouns. Neuter nouns end in o or e. For neuter, the demonstrative forms are ovo, to, ono. They all end in o. Let's have examples. Child in Serbian is dete. Dete ends in e, so dete is neuter. This child, ovo dete. That child, to dete. That child, over there, ono dete. Another example, village in Serbian is selo. Selo ends in o, so selo is neuter. This village, ovo selo. That village, to selo. That village over there, ono selo. So, for neuter nouns, use ovo, to, ono. Now let us review what we have learned. 3 words for pointing. Ovaj, this, close to me. Tai, that, close to you. Onaj, that, far from both of us. The ending depends on the gender of the noun. If the noun is masculine, the ending is consonant. Ovaj telepon, tai grad, onaj computer. If the noun is feminine, the ending is a. Ova kuća, ta knjiga, ona kafa. If the noun is neuter, the ending is o. Ovo dete, to selo, ono ime. The most important thing to remember, look at the gender of the noun. The demonstrative must match masculine noun, masculine form, feminine noun, feminine form, neuter noun, neuter form. This is the same rule as possessive pronouns. Once you know the noun's gender, you know which form to use. Now you know how to say this, that, and that over there in Serbian.